Welcome back to another episode of Review Scoop. This time I have some feel good watches for you. You know, after those heavy work weeks when our brain is fried and we don't want to watch heavy content but want to watch something comforting. So, this reel is for you. Save it for the next time you want to watch something which feels like a warm hug. First up, we have The Rooster. This one feels like a warm hug. It's a father and daughter duo navigating life and showing up for each other again and again.
You're here, but I don't need you to check on me.
Anytime Katie has a problem, I swoop in, but I can't fix this.
It's not drama just for the sake of drama, but it is emotions, learning, and being consistent. It tells us that love doesn't have to have big words, but consistently being there for each other or consistently showing up for each other. Second in the list is a very different kind of a recommendation from what I usually give. It's a comedy stand-up special that I want to recommend. It's called Chhoti Soch by Shubham Pujari. Now, if you have not seen or consumed any of his content, I might be judging you. If you have watched Samay Raina's special and not his, I am still judging you. He's effortlessly funny. And if you are from UP, you're going to feel so relatable and so much seen. He does that kind of a comedy, which is an anecdote from every one of our lives. Next one is again stand-up comedy recommendation. It's called Biker Boys by Devesh Dikshit. Now this one is going to feel nostalgic because it's a comedy set up about adolescence. Men, especially for boys, it would feel like a road down the memory lane, but for women, it will feel like a peek into men's brain. And so much will start to make sense of why they were behaving the way they were behaving. But it's a really, really fun watch. Finally, this one's a special one. This is the kind of a movie that I would ask you to watch it right away. If you're watching it after your office, I want you to watch it. If you're commuting, I want you to watch it. Do not just mark it for later, but watch it right away because I want you to feel what I have felt watching this. It's called The Great Shamsuddin Family. It amazed me. No big sets, no fancy outfits. The whole story unfolds in one flat. It's just one day of their life. But the writing, the performances are so tight that you wouldn't want to look away even for a minute. It makes you laugh, and just when you're done laughing, it leaves you something to think about. And I think that's my favorite kind of content these days, wherein they're not trying too hard. This is the kind of a movie which will stay with you even after you've watched it. If you want to watch something easy breezy, something very light-hearted, something that is still meaningful, that makes you laugh, makes you feel emotions, these are my recommendations. Do watch it. Save it for the next time you want to watch something very light. And let me know if you have a list of comforting shows or comforting movies that you have marked it or saved.